That's a fairly sturdy wood board, so I will mount my PC on that. At least that's the plan, and I will do it, but I will have to see how I can manage to do that. That's one of the things we gonna start today. The other one is the frame that is fitting in, and also thinking about the lighting, because a building lamp is not the lighting I want. So I got myself just a 3x5 wood pole. No, that's the mounting for some aluminum or whatever pieces that are holding LED strips. I will plan out how I will do that, because I have to solder the LED strips. That I will do off camera and mount that, but we can cut that to length and get the layout, because I wanted kind of fancy 2 rows parallel and then 3 rows that way, and I have to figure out how. And also it has to kind of correspond to the position of my frame for my PC. So I will see how that goes, because the position of things are given because of their size. You will see what I mean just shortly. Well, you can see it's big, and I decided, because my other stupid part of this build is also maybe even coming up today. I'm not sure. I will have to start and see how far I get. But yeah, I need this sturdy frame to support what I plan. I will just assemble it, and then we'll mount it, and then we go from there. Doing things alone is not the best option. If you have someone who can help you, ask them. It makes things a lot easier and safer. The frame I'm using is normally used to build stands on conventions, so it's only rated for a small load of around 200 kilo. That means I'm never gonna break it, regardless of what I'm going to do with it. Well, I have to say it's kind of like I imagined, but in my imagination things looked a bit smaller, like here. I thought it would end like here, but obviously because of the white board I have, and I did choose these dimensions. I measured it out and planned, and the board is fitting to the frame, and I think I didn't account for the feet. I kind of didn't calculate them, and so I could drop that, if that would be like the 5 centimeters lower, I could slide a little slightly more over there, but it is how it is. It will stay here. This one obviously is loose. It's not fitting to that. I just something I had lying around to accommodate that. And yes, I will mount that, and then I will get the hardware for the frames that I need, and then I will mount that, and we'll go from there.